No. Yeah.
All I see is your
Yeah.
your
Okay, we
thing.
are live
Anyway,
now.
hey guys, so yeah, we're live now. Sorry for the technical issues earlier. I'm gonna do a quick market rundown with myself, and then we have Altonai as our special guest here. Maybe some
Hi,
of you will.
everyone. Yes, thanks, Boris. Thanks for short introduction. Thanks, everyone, for having me here. Maybe in the future, you're gonna watch our live streams. So I'm happy to
Yeah,
see you and share my thoughts. My name is Altanay, and I'm also a trader working also in crypto exchange. But I have my personal analysis, not just being a part of the crypto exchange, but the part of the finance industry and the crypto community. So my battery is running low, but I will be very quick. So today we are
yeah,
looking at a market that's no longer just crypto, it's macro driven. Bitcoin is trading around the mid 60K range after a strong correction from its 120K plus high. And what we are seeing now is a transition phase from hype cycle to institutional structure. So right now, crypto is reacting less to retail sentiment and more to interest rates, ETF flows, and global risk events. So if you want to trade this market, you need to think like a macro trader, not just a crypto trader, right? Because most of the liquidity just vanished and people are moving from crypto to forex and to stocks, commodities, like many other things, yeah, to diverse day tools. And it's a high risk as well. So the quick market snapshot for the March 2026 Bitcoin price is currently around 66K, 68K, and its strong support zone 65, 70K, and market in consolidation phase after heavy correction. So right now it's a short-term moves and it's not driven by ETF inflows,
yeah.
outflows, yeah, options expires and institutional hedging. So and
Yeah,
Bitcoin
let
dominance.
me interrupt you for 1 second. Do you see my screen? Do you see the crypto bubbles?
Yeah. I see the crypto bubbles
What,
definitely. It's
what
just
are your
growing.
thoughts on? I know I agree with everything you said, but what are
Yeah.
your thoughts on just what's happening?
Memes are dead
Especially,
right now, definitely. I
yeah,
wouldn't risk even a penny on any memes because, as far as I've been introduced to many projects and their tokenomics, it's just literally hype, nothing more behind it. And I would just avoid it's super risky right now. And the dominance of the Bitcoin 58%, right? So on your screen, I've seen like a lot of like shit coins, meme coins. Yeah, let's be honest. And people understand now market really good, not like all time ago. So when every shit can pump, yeah, and everyone can earn like thousands and thousands percents. But now I would just choose for myself one blockchain and learn it really good. And mostly I will check like utility tokens, so it gets real
yeah,
use case. Yeah, that's
yeah.
what I think.
So crypto heat map for the week. We're still
Mm-hmm.
down due to the geopolitical conflict, but
Yeah.
over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's only up like less than 1%. Ethereum's up over 2.5.
Yeah.
Honestly, the market is just kind of going sideways here. Um, I guess also,
This
do you have
sideway,
any?
I think it will continue like
Yeah,
in the middle of the summer, maybe, because I'm expecting Bitcoin and everything down like more than right now 68, maybe 20% more down between 30 and 50K range. Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but falling from 120K plus, yeah, just recently to 68, it's almost like half. You can imagine any scenario right now, but it's good for martingale strategy, I think, just to buy step by step on every.
What is and what is martingale strategy? Because a lot of people are not familiar with that. Can you explain that? Oh no, I think we just lost Altonai. But anyway, guys, let's continue. I think her laptop died, but we can continue, and we'll have her on tomorrow, of course. But let me give you guys a quick rundown of the crypto bubbles right now. So yeah, right now, over the past 24 hours, we have Chili's up 10%, SHIB up 5%, XLM up 3%, DEX 7%, EVE 2.5%, AVAX up 3%, Pepe. Yeah, so overall, not Jupiter's up 7%, but overall, we don't have too many winners here. So overall, kind of a block market. I just covered it with Altonai about what's happening, on the macro side. So overall, Bitcoin's just kind of going sideways here. Really nothing. Well, let me share my tab right now. Yeah, let's go to the daily view and we'll just quickly go over if there's any like swing trades on the table. Let's go over the top 50. One second. I'm just looking over some of my trades right now. Let's quickly go over the top 50 and then we'll go from there. So Hike is actually having kind of like a breakdown below the 21 EMA here. So this could be a potential short for me, which I'll post in a bit. Then just gonna scan through my list really quickly. Interesting that British pound is going down against the dollar, so that's not good. Tesla down, Toncoin down. Nasdaq is down. Everything's kind of going down, so I'm kind of bearish here. S&P down. I guess there's more shit happening in the Middle East. Near is going down. So pretty much everything is just going down. Crude oil is going up as expected. So trying to see if there's anything bullish at all here. I don't think there is. Yes, silver's not, nothing's bullish at all. Everything's very bearish, so guys, there's not one single trade that would go long on right now. Maybe gold, maybe. I don't know. Nah, gold is just forming a lower, kind of like in consolidation pattern, so I wouldn't do anything with gold here either. Let's see. Nah, gold is not a good opportunity for me either. Perhaps cake, I don't know. I think the only thing I'm bullish on is crude oil. I would go long on crude oil if I could. And yeah, guys, I think that covers everything. So, short stream, anyway, long crude oil, short hike. Good. And that's